Okay. So good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see this configuration management tool. Now the of this management tools. Okay. As we know the meaning of management, right? So what are doing the meaning of management? So
Hello,
can
sir.
everybody aware of? Ah, yes.
Sir, your voice is
Hello.
breaking. Voice break होता है sir.
Okay. Now is it fine? Hello.
नहीं sir, break
हेलो.
होता है थोड़ा थोड़ा.
वॉइस ब्रेक होतोय का? अच्छा अच्छा.
हो.
नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम इश्यू राईट. ट्राईंग टू see the screen.
Yes sir, screen is visible but voice is breaking.
Okay. So let me tell you one by one, very slow, right? So the first task is something called as what is management tool. Okay. So this management tool is nothing but we know it. This is like you are adding the record, modifying the record. Okay, or you are deleting the record. Okay, and you can able to see the record, so you can say view. So whatever operations you are doing it right on database, like this is something called as what? Management. Okay, so this is management tools. We can do anything what we want as a transaction. Now we are going to configure. So what we are going to configure? So obviously we are going to discuss what we are already discussing, the number of servers, number of clients. Okay, so there are number of, so S1, S2, S3, S4. There are number of clients, right? And they are managing. Right, we are going to configure the client's side, right? The hardware, software, right? So the server is going to manage everything. And want something, the update data that we are going to gain from the client. So client will give the request to the platform, and the server will give the response to the client, right? And in the scenario, if you look at, if you see the big center, lots of servers are there and lots of nodes are there. Okay, and there is the thing is something called as configuration management tool. So that tool is needed. Otherwise, previously what happens, the one server is sufficient to configure the client side, or the client is sufficiently handle its own their own record. But there is a difficulty once you are talking about the n number of servers, n number of clients, and to configure everything, right? And there it is, the tools comes something called as configuration tools. The first tool, there is the first tool called as Chef. So Chef is a tool, right? Configuration management tool, right? Chef is a configuration management tool which came earlier, and then people have used something called a Puppet tool. So this tool, and the third option is something called Ansible, right? So these three tools, right? Out of these three tools, you can say Ansible is a latest one. Ansible is the latest one, and all the many of the companies, not all the companies, many of the companies, they are now using Ansible, right? So we cannot say, the Ansible it is advanced and the people are using only Ansible tool. Not like that. The people are using Chef as well as the Puppet tool, right? These tools are also being used in the market a lot, right, than Ansible, you can say, because Ansible just now came, right, within in 2015 it launched, right. So it is not so much popular than the Chef and Puppet. Okay, and why, because Chef and Puppet tool, these are something like established tools, right. And the people, once the people are taking these particular customers, right, these customers, they are using the Chef and Puppet to configure their clients and nodes, like that. Okay, so obviously they will have the faith on this established tool. They will not have the faith which is coming in the market and which is now very much popular, right? But which is not established for so many years. And that's why people will use definitely Chef and Puppet, right? And Ansible has just now come. Obviously, the next future of this configuration management tool is Ansible only. So like the people who want to you who wants this particular job in DevOps, those who want to go in configuration management tool, definitely people are now learning the Ansible, right? Because Ansible is coming already. It came in the market, and obviously it is becoming a very popular tool. Now if you look at this particular diagram, then we will understand what is the meaning of chef, right? And what is the what how we can work with the puppet as well. Okay, so now you look at this. This is very very important. Okay, very important. Like overview of chef architect, right? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay, okay. So if you look at this particular chef, right, this is a chef architecture where how the how the servers are going to be interacted with the nodes. And what are the nodes? These are virtual clouds, or where the data is going to be stored and everything, right? And the chef, how it is going to be useful for it. Okay, so what we are having something called as workstation, right? So workstation, what we are going to do it, the workstation generally design the policy, see what we are studying, configuration management tool. So this is one of the configuration management tool. What it does, it manages all the nodes. How it manages, it configures all these nodes so that they can able to give the service to the world. That is what is something called as configuration management tool, right? And in chef architecture, we have got one of the thing is called as workstation, which is very important. It designs the policy. Is something like what are the hardware tools, what are the software tools, what is OS, which software going to write that. And that writing this particular thing or this policy is nothing but writing the recipe. Okay, and this recipe is going to stored in something called as cookbooks. And these cookbooks are nothing but the list of recipes, right? All the recipes, they are residing in the cookbook. Who is designing that? Workstation only. This is going to be sent to the server side. So here we have got server, right? So this server is also very important. Okay, now what happens, these servers is going to connected to all the nodes, right? There are thousands of nodes. Now only three nodes are shown. Thousands of node, they are, right, they are being connected through this server, right? Now in node there are two things. One thing, if you look at this over here, this is something called as a database, where you are actually going to keep the data, right? And here there is something called as a agent. Now very nice story is there, this is something called as agent, right? What happens, the chef, the server is going to be connected to the node. Each node is having this database and is this agent. So what happen, there are two types of things that configuration management tool works, right? The number one is something called as pull configuration. So there is something called as pull, and the another is something called as push. So two methodologies are there. One is something called as pull, and another one is something called as push, right? Pull यानी क्या? Pull is very simple one. Pull is like, how it works. Let's say chef is a boss. Chef is a boss, and this node, or let's say this particular node, is a you can say the employee. right? There are two types of employees, you can say. One is something like pull based and one is something called as push based. पुल क्या करेगा मालूम है? पुल एम्प्लॉई, द पुल स्टाइल वाला जो एम्प्लॉय है, वो खुद अपने बॉस के पास जाएगा और बॉस को बोलेगा कि बॉस, डू यू हैव एनी वर्क फॉर मी? तो ही इज ओनली गोइंग टू द बॉस एंड ही इज ओनली गेटिंग द जॉब फॉर हिमसेल्फ. दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज पुल बेस्ड. और पुश बेस कैसा है? पुश बेस इज लाइक लेजी पर्सन. पुश बेस इज लाइक अ लेजी पर्सन. ही डोंट गो टू द बॉस एट ऑल, राइट? ही डोंट गो, अरे जब भी बॉस देगा तभी देगा, मुझे फुल सैलरी मिल रहा है ना, बस बात खत्म. सो पुश type of employees, they will like they are working like a lazy type of work, right? The server is going to be server is going to the that particular employee, and server will say, ye kaam kar. Then the push people will say, acha acha acha, हाँ ये काम करने का, I will do it, I will do it immediately. And after that he will do the work and give it to the server and again he relax. जब भी मुझे काम आएगा तभी मैं करूंगा. So that is something called as push. Who is pushing? The server is pushing the work on the client, on the employee. The server is pushing. पुशिंग यानी ढकलना, वो ढकल देता है कि भाई तू ये काम कर. The server is pushing the work on the nodes, right? On the nodes. This is something called as push type of, right, methodology. और पुल में कैसा है? पुल में इज लाइक दो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज एम्प्लॉय खुद जाके बोलेगा, एम्प्लॉय विल कम टू द सर्वर एंड ही विल आस्क, सर एनी वर्क इज देयर? द सर्वर विल गिव एंड again he will do the work, and again he will go, again he will ask, is there any work? The server will say, there is, yes, there is no work, right now you can relax. Now he will go, again he will come back. That means what? Pool based employee, pool methodology वाला जो employee है, it is a active employee. It is a active things, and this for activeness, for this activeness you require an agent. You require an agent, right? So push configuration methodology वाले में क्या है? पुश मेथोडोलॉजी तो वो तो सोते रहता है, जब भी बॉस आएगा तभी मैं काम करेगा, राइट? इट्स लाइक दैट. सो देर इज नो नीड ऑफ एजेंट इन पुश कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट टूल, right? Indirectly what happening? Indirectly I am telling you the difference between pull configuration management tool, push type of configuration management tool. Now, right now we are just trying to learn what is the chef architecture. Chef architecture होता क्या है, वो काम कैसे करता है. And now I am telling you, the chef architecture में agent है और nodes है, node के अंदर agent है, database है. Obviously chef is like pool configuration management tool, pool based. I will say it is pool based. Chef is pool based. Once we will start with the puppet and ansible, right? वो दोनों में हम लोग देखे थे, अरे भाई वो पुल बेस है क्या पुश बेस है, राइट? वो कौन से टाइप के हैं. बट नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, द शेफ आर्किटेक्चर, right? So we have to, what we are going to do, अगर now let's say if I want to do this as an experiment, मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to install this chef server. I have to install these policy based workstations where I can able to do this, manage these recipes. I have to write this recipe. The recipe will go get stored in cookbooks. ये मुझे करना पड़ेगा. Then I have to configure, I have to install the node, install the client, शेफ क्लाइंट. शेफ सर्वर किया है तो शेफ क्लाइंट, तो एटलीस्ट मुझे एक नहीं तो दो क्लाइंट इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. वो क्लाइंट के अंदर मुझे एजेंट इंस्टॉल करने पड़ेगा. वो नोड के अंदर मुझे डेटाबेस भी इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. यू गॉट इट? these many things I have to do.
Hello, sir. Hello. Sir, you are not audible.
हॅलो, एम आय ऑडिबल?
हाँ सर, यू आर ऑडिबल नाउ.
ओके ओके ओके. माझं अगोदरचं काय समजलेलं का काय मी बोललेलो ते? और
हो सर,
देर वॉज
आवाज येत होता.
आवाज येत होता ना?
हो.
Actually, there is network problem. Now it is, I think it is stable. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hardik, have you understood this pull and push base concept?
सर मेरा नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था सर.
Okay. Hello, Diva is there. Hello. Okay, Diva is not there. Hardik, you are there, na? Right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Now I will just repeat once and then we will go further, right?
Okay, okay.
So yes. Uh, so there are two types of configuration management tools, right? Again, I am telling, right? One is called as pull based and another one is called as push based, right? So pull based क्या है and push based क्या है? Now, if you look at this particular architecture of Chef, then you will understand what you require. You require something called as workstation. You require something called as server, and now server is being connected to all the nodes, right? And there will be a thousands of nodes will be there. Each node is having two types of things. One is something called as database, and another is something called as the agent. So this is a agent, one of the agent is there, and this agent, the work of agent is like this. The agent will go to the server and will say give me work, and the chef server is going to give the work to this particular node, right? What happens, this is something called as pool based. The agent is pulling the task from the server, pulling the task from the server, right? पुश बेस में क्या रहता है? पुश बेस में सर्वर इज पुशिंग द टास्क टू द एजेंट, पुशिंग द टास्क टू द नोड, वी कैन से. ओके. सो जैसे मैंने बोला ना, देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज. दो टाइप के एम्प्लॉय रहते हैं, यू नो. एक एम्प्लॉय जो रहता है ना, आर यू लिसनिंग हार्दिक?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक टाइप का एम्प्लॉय क्या होता है, एक टाइप एम्प्लॉय है ना, वो खुद बॉस के पास जाता है, बॉस को बोलता है कि बॉस गिव मी द वर्क, and boss is giving the work, again finishing the work, again agent will go and he will say, you know, again give me the task, and again he will go. This is something like pull based. push based में क्या है? push based में क्या रहता है मालूम है? जैसे the people are like, who are very lazy and who are relaxing, right? Do not they are not doing anything. जब तक उसका बॉस बोलता नहीं है ना, डू दिस टास्क, तब तक वो क्या करते हैं? वो कुछ नहीं करते, राइट? फिर भी उनको फुल सैलरी मिलता है, जैसे पुल बेस का रहता है वैसा ही. तो दैट इज
सर
समथिंग कॉल्ड एज.
सर
हाँ, यस.
सर ये दोनों टास्क साइमल्टेनियसली होता है या अलग अलग मतलब?
अलग अलग है, दोनों 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 अलग अलग है. दिस इज पुल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट टूल अलग है, पुश मैनेजमेंट टूल पूरा अलग है. सो आवर शेफ इज देयर, राइट? शेफ इज देयर. सो दिस शेफ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट टूल, द होल आर्किटेक्चर इज बेस्ड ऑन पुल. आर यू गेटिंग?
यस सर.
ओके. अभी मैं पुल है तो पुश क्या है, इसके लिए मैंने पुश का एग्जांपल दिया, राइट? सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, हार्दिक. वन स्टूडेंट इज लाइक, पुल बेस्ड. पुल बेस्ड में क्या करेगा? स्टूडेंट बोलेगा सर कोई असाइनमेंट दे दो ना, देन सर बोलेगे चलो ये ले लो असाइनमेंट. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग असाइनमेंट नंबर 1, अगेन द स्टूडेंट विल कम, सर नेक्स्ट असाइनमेंट इज देयर. देन सर विल से यस, और सर विल से अभी असाइनमेंट नहीं है. तो अगेन सम टाइम, आफ्टर सम टाइम अगेन स्टूडेंट विल कम, सर असाइनमेंट दे दो ना. So how the student is active, that active type of student is called as pull based student. Are you getting?
यस सर.
पुश बेस में क्या है? पुश बेस में क्या है? जब सर देते नहीं है तब तक कुछ करो मत, राइट? सर ने असाइनमेंट दिया तो करेंगे, नहीं दिया तो कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, right? So the push based students actually they are smarter than pull based. उल्टा मैं बोलता हूँ, राइट? तो जब तक बॉस मुझे काम नहीं देता है तब तक बैठो ऐसे ही, राइट? लेजी रहते हैं, राइट? बट व्हाट हैपेंस, दे आर नॉट एक्टिव, बट बोथ आर गेटिंग सैलरी ना, बोथ आर गेटिंग मार्क्स। समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो?
Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ
sir.
हाँ, so ये एग्जाम्पल दिया, डोंट टेक दिस एग्जाम्पल इन योर दिस थिंग एंड डू नॉट मेक अनदर वे, राइट? ये एग्जाम्पल दिया मैंने, जस्ट एग्जाम्पल दिया आपको समझने के लिए, राइट? सो हाउ द एजेंट इज देयर। अभी मुझे क्या है, व्हाट इज माय सिचुएशन, नाउ लेट्स से इफ आई वांट टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट द शेफ आर्किटेक्चर, मुझे अगर एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का है, शेफ आर्किटेक्चर दिखाने का है कि भाई ये शेफ आर्किटेक्चर हाउ इट इज वर्किंग, इट इज लाइक दिस, right? So obviously there is one language called as Ruby. Ruby नाम का लैंग्वेज है, 1 second। हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल? हेलो?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है, ओके। सो दिस इज हाउ द शेफ आर्किटेक्चर वर्क्स। So what I required, to just demonstrate शेफ आर्किटेक्चर, आई हैव टू इंस्टॉल, अभी मुझे क्या क्या इंस्टॉलेशन करना पड़ेगा देखो, एंड व्हाई आई एम अवॉइडिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सपेरिमेंट, वो भी मैं आपको बोलता हूँ। लेकिन आई कैनॉट अवॉइड दिस, this, you can say the configuration tools, right? For वाइवा, वाइवा के लिए तो आपको ये आना ही चाहिए, शेफ आर्किटेक्चर क्या है, वो कौन से कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मेथोडोलॉजी यूज करती है, उसके अंदर क्या क्या इंस्टॉलेशंस करने पड़ते हैं, हाउ द पुल बेस्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वर्क्स, ये सारी जो चीजें मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, ऑल दिस थिंग्स दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली, राइट? So what you
Yes, sir.
required, what you required, it is you required the chef server, तो server मुझे इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा, then I have to install the workstation, workstation पे मुझे, and as I told you, just अभी मैंने आपको बोला there is one language called as Ruby, यानी Ruby नाम का लैंग्वेज मुझे वापस सीखना पड़ेगा, राइट? ये सीख के then I have to using this Ruby language, then I can able to create a policy, so I can make a policy यानी क्या, I am going to write down the things what is needed for the configuration, राइट? यानी नोड 1 है, नोड 1 का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है, इट रिक्वायर्स अ वर्क, इट रिक्वायर्स लाइक हाई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सर्वर, इट रिक्वायर्स दिस मच, इट इज हैविंग दिस मच रैम, रोम, और वॉट एवर आर्किटेक्चर, हार्डवेयर आर्किटेक्चर, सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्चर, ये सब सारी चीजें जो है, दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अ रेसिपी। So this recipe I have to write it using Ruby language, using for the chef architecture, right? All the recipes I will collect and I am going to create a cookbook. Now this cookbook is going to send to the server, and according to this cookbook, the server is going to configure these nodes. The server is going to configure these nodes. There are thousands of nodes in real time, right? And what happened, in that each node, what have we found, that we have got something called as agent, and this agent, it always look at the server which is pulling the request, ये पुल करता है, एजेंट खुद जाता है सर्वर के पास, नया रेसिपी आया, नया कुकबुक आया है, प्लीज गिव मी दैट, नाउ लेट्स से दिस इज अ न्यू अपडेट, so agent is going to this, and agent is looking this particular server, अरे नया कुछ आ गया, it will pull this and it will store it over there, and here it will going to configure, node 2 is going to configure by the agent ने जो पुल किया है, जो मॉड्यूल, यू कैन से Now this is not nothing called as module, this is something called as resources. What is the meaning of resources? The modules, you can say the modules, right? The modules. ये मॉड्यूल्स कौन अपडेट करता है? ये वर्क सेशन अपडेट करता है. अपडेट्स करता है यानी क्या करता है? कुक बुक्स. दिस कुक बुक्स आर गोइंग टू सेंड टू द सर्वर. नया कुक बुक आ गया, so what happens? The agents are always monitoring on this server, and it is going to pull the new update, and it is going to configure it at the node 3 or node 2 or node 1 or whatever node is there. And this is how the Chef architecture works. So pull configuration management tool. So pool configuration management tool. So this is pool based, totally pool based. और pool based क्या है यानी मैंने आपको बताया. And because of this pool based, you can see the node is something called as heavyweight. Heavyweight. Why heavyweight? Because we are in the node, we are having agent, we are having this database, right? And always this agent is active. So always this is in active mode. So always there is a thread in the RAM in the node 1. So like that, okay? So this is something called as, it is heavyweight, heavy loaded, right? So have you understood the Chef architecture? Hardik?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this
Yes,
Chef
sir. Yes,
architecture?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Anything you would not understood? Or
No,
anyone?
sir.
Anyone? I'm just talking to the Hardik. It doesn't mean that I'm only talking to the Hardik. Anyone, students, if you have got any kind of doubt of Chef architecture, please tell me. This is going to be there at the time of Viva. वाइवा में आपको पूछेंगे, और वो टाइम पे अगर आपको शेफ का मीनिंग मालूम नहीं है, कैसे आर्किटेक्चर होता है, पूल बेस यानी क्या, कौन सा लैंग्वेज यूज होता है, रिसोर्सेस किधर होते हैं, एजेंट यानी क्या, अगर ये सब सारी चीजें मालूम नहीं रहेगा, देन यू विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग, राइट? सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो नाउ इफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस शेफ, लेट अस गो टू दिस समथिंग कॉल्ड एज Ansible. Let us go to the Ansible, right? Now this Ansible, so Ansible में क्या है? देखो Ansible में, if you look at the Ansible, right, and if I compare this Ansible with the there is the Chef, then you will come to know that we are having something called as server. Fine, so we have to install Ansible server, right? Ansible server मुझे install करना पड़ेगा. And now this Ansible is directly connected to the nodes, node N1, right, node N2, N3, and so forth. So what happened, what we can say, that in Ansible architecture, in Ansible configuration management tool, we don't have any workstation, right? First of all, what we are having the nodes, and which are directly connected to the server, right? Now next is node is not having agent, so this is something called as agentless. This is something called as agentless. So agent ही नहीं है, agent ही नहीं है तो क्या हो जाएगा, right? There is no one that the node cannot come to the server, and then it can ask, I want some update from you. No. तो ये कौन सा टाइप का मैनेजमेंट हो गया है मालूम है? ये हो गया पुश बेस्ड मैनेजमेंट टूल. पुश बेस्ड का मतलब क्या है? सर्वर खुद बोलेगा नोड 1 को, प्लीज टेक दिस अपडेट एंड यू कॉन्फ़िगर योरसेल्फ, राइट? और सर्वर the whatever the data and the softwares are there at the node, right? The server configures, server tells to the node, server only tells, the node is not going to come over here because node is agentless, right? तो फायदा क्या हो गया? फायदा हो गया क्या टोटा हो गया? एडवांटेज हो गया क्या डिसएडवांटेज हो गया? हार्दिक
सर एडवांटेज हो गया.
थोड़ा बहुत एडवांटेज क्यों हो गया? बिकॉज इट बिकम्स लाइट वेट, right? It becomes lightweight. Agent ही नहीं है, so it becomes lightweight. Obviously if there is agents are going coming again and again to the server, and they are doing, you can say, the interfere, कि मैं कितना, they are showing like, अभी काम है क्या, अभी काम है क्या, अभी काम है क्या. So always they are monitoring to the server. Obviously the network traffic भी बढ़ जाएगा. Correct. तो ये दोनों चीजें हैं, it's because of the agentless, the node becomes lightweight. The second thing is what, it's like a push based configuration tool. Push based का मैंने आपको मतलब समझ में गया है मैं. It's like, server will only tell to the nodes. That means the teacher is only tell to the students, भाई assignment करो, and then the student will do the assignment, right? So it's a push
Yes, sir.
based. It is a push based, right? And you can see, how it is lightweight. So अभी क्या है इसके आर्किटेक्चर में क्या होता है, Ansible में we have to just install the server, Ansible server, right? And जो cookbook है ना, उधर cookbook, इधर इसको बोलते हैं playbook. Are you getting? उधर कुक रहता है, cookbook मैंने बोला था, इधर it is something called as playbook, right? And this playbook is, the Ansible at the back of the side, it is going to do that, right? The Ansible is connected to the user. Ansibles they are having the host, they are having the networking, they are having this database, and they are also using the cloud and this thing, right? So everything is there, if I'm saying, right, so IAC, this is something like, infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code. This is what is the service is going to be there once you are talking about configuration management tool. Infrastructure as a code. ये Ansible server, Chef server और Puppet server, we are going to look at the Puppet server as well. तो ये जो servers है, ये infrastructure देते हैं दूसरों को. यानी क्या देते हैं? They are giving the code. They are giving the source code, and based on this server code, based on this code, the nodes are configuring, right? So इसके लिए ये जो service है, this what we are talking about, configuration management tool, ये जो हम लोग बड़ी बात कर रहे हैं, right? इसका actually main is this IAC, infrastructure as code, right? All these servers are going to give the service based on this IAC model, infrastructure as a code. They are giving this infrastructure, use this infrastructure, take this code which is updated, right? And depending upon this code, all the nodes are getting updated, all the nodes are getting configured, right? This is very, very important. ये बहुत important है, and many of the industries, they are using Ansible. And what happened, जैसे the Chef architecture में Ruby language use की जाती है, वैसे Ansible में there is one language which is called as YAML. YAML language. You know what is the long form of it? The long form of this is yet another markup language. Yet another markup language. This is YAML, right? And YAML is very, very simple language. It is human understanding language. It's very, very simple language, so there is no need of you want to become a programmer for it, right? So जो programming पे है ही नहीं, जिधर programming जिसको आता ही नहीं है, so even non-technical persons, they can also see this particular language and they can also interpret इसमें लिखा क्या है, and the लिखने का एकदम very simple style, for example I will say, host colon, what host I am using, it's right, it's like that, IP, which IP I am using, right, like that. So itna simple language है YAML. So it's a human interpretation language, right? So it's not like curly bracket open, curly bracket close, or double quotes है ना ये वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं. So it's like very human interpreted language, right? And everything is based on this is something like key value pair, and key value pair तो हम लोग को मालूम है, key value pair, this is key, the value, key value, key value, key value, like that. So everything is based on that. So yet another markup language is very, very simple language. It is much more better understanding language than Ruby language, right? So you can see, this is something like, advantages that I am telling you of Ansible over Chef as well as Puppet. Puppet को हम लोग जाने हैं, but still I am telling you, right? The Puppet and Chef, they are already established configuration management tool. Ansible came in 2015, right? And if you look at this particular, the Ansible Wikipedia, then you will come to know, right? The original author is Michael Dehan. Michael Dehan is a original author, who has come up with the concept called as Ansible, right? Or Ansible, if you think about Ansible, Ansible is like, right? जैसे you can say you are or one object. Do you want to communicate between two objects, and one object is there over here, and another object is there in US, or another object is there in, let's say, in orbit also, right? And I want to have this communication between these two objects, right? Like within a time only, or on that time, so there is not a delay at all, and I want to make a communication between two objects which are very far away, right? How can it possible? How can it possible? And that's why, right, the Ansible name came. Ansible name came, and this Ansible, if you look at this, the term Ansible was coined by, right, Ursula Guin in 1966, right? And which is something like, fictional instantaneous communication systems, right? And that's why I'm telling to make a communication between two, in satellite also, let's say if you send a satellite to the moon, and in the moon there is an object, and from the earth you want to talk to them, or you want to give some signals, how can you do this communication? How can you do this communication? And that's why in the world this name came called as Ansible, or Ansible name, right, was coined by it. And actually that was the reason why Ansible, और वही concept के ऊपर, to have the communication between two tools or two objects, right, with no lagging period, with no lagging time at all, right? That's why Ansible came. And you can see Ansible tool was developed by Michael Dehan, right? And which is the author of provisional server application Cobra and so forth, right? लेकिन हम लोग को एक ही नाम देखने का है, Ansible, which is this and Ansible Incorporated. This company was founded by Michael Dehan, but obviously it was coined by Ursula Guin, right? She is an author, American author, right? And why? It is for the communication system, to both communication system. And in 2015, if you look at in 2015, red hat this acquired Ansible. Red Hat ने Ansible को खरीद लिया, right? And now Red Hat, from 2015, everywhere Red Hat is now doing the marketing for the Ansible, right? So it is become now so much popular. So many companies, they are using now Ansible instead of Chef and Puppet. And why? Because the Ansible, it is agentless, it is push based configuration management tool, right? And the servers are directly connected to the nodes, so there is no workstation at all, right? So let's say if I want to do the experiment on Ansible, is it possible? Yes. हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग को एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का है बेस्ड ऑन एंसिबल. और टुडे आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ दिस एंसिबल केम, what is chef management configuration and so and so forth. So you can look at this, so this is the Ansible. So obviously अगर आपको इंटरव्यू में भी क्वेश्चन पूछा, do you know any configuration management tool, you have to say yes, I know the configuration management tool. There is one tool called as Chef, then Puppet, and then the Ansible. There is one more tool. All right, I will tell you once I will go to the the PowerPoint which I made for you, right? So there is one more tool, and on what base they are doing this configuration management tool. The only base two, one is called as pull based and another one is called as push based. तो पुल एंड पुश ये दोनों का मैंने मतलब एकदम क्लियरली आपको विथ एग्जांपल करके बताया. सो आई एम थिंकिंग यू आर नाउ वेरी मच अवेयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. ओके, सो इफ यू नो दिस, देन नाउ आई विल गो टू द कंसेप्ट कॉल्ड एज पपेट. सो पपेट का ये है अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 10. पपेट का एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 10 है, तो जो हम लोग को करने का है, राइट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू नाउ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट, and this is just the installation of puppet, nothing much more than that. Okay, and this is a very small experiment that we are going to do it tomorrow, but let me clear the idea today. So puppet, so obviously these things we have covered, already covered, or many of the things like why my configuration management, what is the need of configuration management, what is configuration management, and what are the configuration management tools, right. Hands on, obviously we are not done any hands on, we are going to do it. Puppet components and puppet architecture. So let's see what it is one by one. Why we need configuration management tool? As I told you, because lots of updates are there from the server side, and we are going to update it on the nodes because the users are connected to the node. सब दुनिया भर के यूजर नोड को कनेक्टेड है. नोड इज हैविंग द अपडेट्स फ्रॉम द सर्वर, server is getting the updated from the workstation if it is having like that. Okay, so now if you look at that, the servers is they are having the updates and the nodes must be updated with the latest value. And if the nodes are updating the latest value, then and then only the nodes can give the service to the people, and that is what is the need of configuration management tool. Fine. If you look at just the problems before configuration management, a lot of headache is there, a lot of hectic job. You can look at just this type of the large infrastructure, right, and wherein you are going to have the each node must be configured. Each node must be configured with the latest things, whatever things are being there in the production side, राइट. इन द प्रोडक्शन साइड में जितने नए नए कॉन्फ़िगरेशन टूल्स है, और द कोड्स, द सोर्स कोड नया अपडेट हो गया, नया कुछ फंक्शन डाला, राइट. ऑब्वियसली मेरे क्लाइंट के जगह पे वो नया फंक्शन दिखना चाहिए, तो फिर हर एक नोड को वो कॉन्फ़िगर करना चाहिए. Look at the concept of Facebook, or look at the concept of any kind of real time tool. For example, Amazon, देखो, Amazon is based on so many kinds of codes are there. As I told you, lots of different kinds of code, lots of codes are written in different languages. One is in Python, one is in Java, one is in Ruby, one another in another, lots of languages are there, and they are doing the work. The developers are developing the codes with this new development, right. The testing department are doing the testing on this particular code. The production department are doing the deployment part of this particular thing, and from the deployment, this code must be configured for all the nodes which is throughout the world it is surrounded, right. हर एक जगह पे surrounded होना चाहिए. And the problem was like that, it's a manual thing. पहले थोड़ा सा manual thing होता था, right. The server has to go, the people has to go, people has to see at the node side. I'm not telling about the client side, I'm talking about the node side. तो ये सेंटर पे विजिट करना पड़ता था, सब करना पड़ता था. नाउ एवरीथिंग इज ऑटोमेटेड. Why automated? Because of this configuration management tool, right. And this is what has been done. The older version of software stack वो अपडेट करना पड़ता था. अपडेटेड वर्जन इधर जाओ, राइट. वापस से इधर अगर नहीं चल रहा है तो वापस इधर लेके आओ कि भाई तूने जो कोड दिया था मुझे वो क्लाइंट पे नहीं चल रहा है, वापस दे दो. This doesn't look good at all, right. So there has to be something called as configuration management tool, right. So this is what is something, code works fine at, yes. So here the developer is saying, the code works fine in my laptop, but the production will say, there is some problem with the code. So this is what, the wall between these two departments, the developers and the production. This is something called, and you require something called as a configuration. So configuration tool must be over there. So configuration management is a practice of handling changes systematically, so that a system maintains its integrity over time. It allows access to the accurate historical record of system state. Very important. This is something called as a definition of configuration management. ये होता है configuration management. You have must be, your changes must be handled systematically one by one. The development team, the testing team, the production team, all these teams, they must be having, they must have something called as a, जैसे हम लोग ने बोला था ना, artifacts. And with the artifacts, you know, you have to update the systems. जो डेवलपर में नया पाइथन के नया पैकेज डाला है और कोड लिखा है, और वो पैकेज टेस्टिंग में है ही नहीं, तो कोड चलेगा ही नहीं. टेस्टिंग में है लेकिन प्रोडक्शन में नहीं है, चलेगा ही नहीं. व्हाट यू रिक्वायर द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. And I know this is what is something called as configuration, and you can look at this, you know, the provisionally testing development and testing department environment by writing a code in one centralized location. पहले centralized location पे होता था, अभी वही चीजें क्या होती है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होती है, वही चीजें डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होती है. एंड देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड, जैसे बोला ना, पुश एंड पुल अप्रोच. देयर आर टू वेज ऑफ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट अप्रोचेस, पुश एंड पुल. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, पुश में क्या है, द सर्वर इज गोइंग टू पुश द अपडेट्स ऑन द at the node side, whereas in pull configuration the nodes are coming to the server and, you know, picking up the update, pulling the updates from the server. That is the biggest difference between push configuration and pull configuration. This just now I told you, and I have given you the example of this thing. And now you can look at this 4 configuration tools. ये इसका नाम मैं भूल गया था, right? Salt stack ये नाम मैं भूल गया था. But otherwise, I have given you the clear idea about Chef. I have given you somehow idea about Ansible, and this is a PPT where I am going to talk about the Puppet and the Salt Stack. Obviously, this is not going to be used in many of the companies. That's why this tool is not over there as well in your syllabus also, and as well as the people are not using Salt Stack much more, right, than this, right? And what is Ansible? Ansible is the new generation, you can say, the tool. The Puppet and Chef, these both are the established. You can see Puppet and Chef both are the best on pull configuration management, whereas Ansible and Salt Stack, these based on the push configuration. Very important. Okay. What is Puppet? Puppet में क्या क्या होता है? So Puppet is also a configuration management tool. Yes, it is used for what? It is used for deploying, right, configuring and managing the servers. And that's why you can see the architecture also, it is using like master slave architecture, right? So Puppet master contains all the configurations, right? And these configurations are pulled by the from the masters by the nodes because of the Puppet agent. जिधर पुल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है उधर आपको सोचने का है कि भाई उधर एजेंट रहेगा ही रहेगा, right? So without agent you cannot update anything, right? That is called as the pull configuration. See this, how the master slave configuration works. And this is something called a Puppet master. It generates the catalog, and this is nothing but artifacts, you know, to compile the catalog to that specifies how the nodes should be configured, right? And node क्या करता है, node is coming back over here. So actually number 1 is this, the node sends the normalized data about itself to Puppet master. Node अपने आप बोलता है, node बोलता है कि sir, right, I am your student, right, do you have any assignment to do for me, like that. Okay, the node is coming to over here, then the Puppet is telling, yes, there is something like for you, do it, go there and do the assignment. And after that the node will come back over here with third element while saying that sir ये देखो मैंने assignment लिखा है, check करो, like that. Okay, so this is how it is working. And see the difference between again Puppet and Chef. Even though both are working on the pull configuration, Puppet uses this SSL secured encryption or the data transport, which is very, very important. Generally in throughout the industry, SSL is, or you can say the SSH is referring as a secured layer or secured set where you can have the data which is for communication. The SSH or SSL, it is going to be used a lot, and it provides a much more security than any other else. And this is what a foolproof test, right? तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, तो एक आप एक सिनेरियो, एक छोटा सा मैं लास्ट में बोलता हूँ. देखो क्या होता है, दोनों घर होते हैं, यू नो, देयर आर 2 होम्स, राइट. एक घर है ऐसा है जिधर पूरा दरवाजा लोखंड का दरवाजा होता है, एंड यू नो देयर इज नो वॉचमैन, नथिंग, यू नो, एंड देयर आर सम CCTV कैमरास आल्सो. right? And CCTV, whenever the person is coming to that, the door, the that particular owner will come to know immediately, कि भाई कोई तो आ गया है, घर में आ गया है, एंड उसका दरवाजा भी लोखंड का है और वॉचमैन भी नहीं है. तो हु आर द वॉचमैन? वॉचमैन आर लाइक एजेंट्स, दैट व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, राइट? सो एजेंट के ऊपर भरोसा भी नहीं किया जाता है. एजेंट खुद के घर में खुद का चोरी करने के लिए एजेंट ही जिम्मेदार रहता है. In many cases we are seen for the banks robbery or wherever, the agents are culprit, right? And because of that thing, the agents are giving the data. कभी पैसा जाता है बैंक में, कभी आता है, वो सब इंफॉर्मेशन एजेंट ही देता है. Now who is agent? Watchman is the agent, right? Whereas there are some systems where खुद का दरवाजा ही लोखंड का है, right? खुद, और there is no watchman at all, so there is no agent at all. Right, so agent ही नहीं है, you are only the owner of that person, you are only the watchman, you are only the everything. And this is like the difference between pull configuration and push based configuration. And you can now imagine, right? तो अगर इसमें वॉचमैन है, इसमें एजेंट है, तो ऐसा गड़बड़ हो सकता है. इसमें एजेंट ही नहीं है तो गड़बड़ हो ही नहीं सकता है. तो हु इज सिक्योर्ड? मच मोर सिक्योर्ड. बोथ आर सिक्योर्ड, बट मच मोर सिक्योरिटी इज दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. इसमें लोखंड का दरवाजा है, वॉचमैन ही नहीं है, सीसीटीवी कैमरा है, सो एंड सो फोर्थ. और इसमें कौन है? इसमें सीसीटीवी भी नहीं है, खाली वॉचमैन है. सो वॉचमैन और दैट पर्सन इज ओनली, यू कैन से द सिक्योर्ड सिक्योरिटी, इज गिविंग यू द सिक्योरिटी टू योर हाउस, राइट? अगर वही कल्प्रिट निकला, और वही कल्प्रिट निकलता है कभी कभी, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज fully secured, but something like there's no that much security as we are having over here. So this is like a push based configuration, and another one is like pull based configuration, right? So दोनों में अगर देखा जाए तो we have seen lots of differences, technical difference, non technical difference है, but non technical difference हम लोग को कभी बोलने का नहीं है. This is just for understanding purpose, right? But this is very very important to understand this pull based and push based, and the communication of puppet master server and agent server, that we will see when afterwards. Tomorrow we are going to see this, how you are going to install the puppet. So har ek DI system. So this is explain number 10. Here I will just tell you, if you are having the Linux system, then only we are going to do this. Otherwise, if you are having the AWS account पे ही आप लोग ऐसा ये सो चीजें इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. इफ यू आर हैविंग विंडोज है तो हम लोग को एनसिबल टूल के ऊपर रहना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दैट वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो. ओके, नाउ इज देयर एनी डाउट नाउ? हेलो
Yes,
Diva, you
sir.
are there. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No ना. Okay, now there are 63 students. Let me take the attendance. फटाक से attendance में लेता हूँ.
सर
Yes.
29 का अटेंडेंस नहीं लिया आपने.
29 का ना? हाँ, मैं लेता हूँ. अभी फिलहाल तो मुझे ये वाला अटेंडेंस चाहिए, right? If you give me this attendance, then it will be okay for me, right from number 1. Who is number 1? You know it?
Present.
Yes.
One second. Let me take that, because that is very very important. नहीं तो हम लोग ऐसे ही लेते हैं एंड बाद में फिर रह जाता है अटेंडेंस. I do not want that. And today is 5th. Something goes wrong. And all of you are written the attendance. अच्छा, already attendance डाला है आपने? Okay. Divya, you are there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you have this attendance right with you, Divya?
No, sir, I didn't took it. Sir, recording चालू है ना? So we will do already recording.
Okay. What I will do, I will give it to you now. 1 second.